Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today we got a new video. This one's a little bit different. It's not quite a mod, but it's more of a maintenance or restoration. Oh shit. I need to go get my keys. Good start to the video already. Oh, my wallet. Keys. You would close it. Okay.
Hold up.
How? It's your own door and you don't know how to undo it. Now there's one thing missing from this camera. This is Oscar, but we call him Chief because he runs this town. I think he likes my microphone. Hey.
Oh no.
I bought my microphone. Oh, you got slobber all over the camera. I'm obsessed with this microphone. Okay. And the thing we're doing today is this headlight restoration. Now I have been meaning to do this for a while because one of my headlights is foggy and faded a bit, and the other one is actually a brand new headlight, and I will not explain why there's one brand new headlight on my car. If you know, maybe you know, but I'm not gonna say. So this is the kit under the little instruction manual. Sandpaper, a headlight polish, comes with like a little foam pad to put the sandpaper around. Lens sealer, which is obviously what you spray on after to seal the job, and this is your polishing cloth to polish it up. So that's everything we got, and he still wants my microphone. And this one just sleeps. Not too fast with the microphone. Him on the other hand. What are you doing? So let's get to that. Okay, let's get into it. Looking at my headlights, you'll see this is the new one, nice and clear, and then this one's quite hazed and yellow looking. So what we're going to do, I got this bag, garbage bag, I've cut it open, I'm going to mask it all off so then none of the sealing spray goes on my paint, and then we'll get into the kit, so, and my Marlow. So, 3. So I'm doing just cutting out the outline. It says it's only 24 degrees outside, but I beg to differ because it feels like bloody 40. Change of plan, I'm actually going to pop the bonnet because the bonnet actually covers up a bit of the headlight itself. There we go. Alright, pull this back over. And I just got sand all in my mileage. That is the waste. So, masked it all off. Now I'm going to clean it. Just make sure the dirt is off it so I have a clean light to start with. I'm really used to having a filmer, but today I'm just trying to do this by myself. First, I'm just going to wet the light. Give it a good clean. And when you wet the light, it actually looks like it's fine. There's no fading or hazing at all, but it's just because the water fills in all the little holes and scratches and all that. Then we're going to grab our kit. I'm really not used to this one-handed but sandpaper, we need that. We need this. Alright, so yeah, sandpaper. It says that you want to start with the 2000. It'll be these ones. Just want to put it around the block like that. We'll wet the light everywhere. Up and down motions. You can already see all the little plastic particles coming off. And you just want to do this all over the light. Get some more water. You can see there's a lot of makes it like a milky sort of substance on top, which is all the plastic and dirt and all that in the water. So now we're going to go down to a 3000 grit and we'll go side to side. Onto the 5000 grit sandpaper, which is our last one, and we'll go back up and down. I can already see the light actually looking a lot more clearer. You won't be able to tell until we dry it all off, because again it could just be the water. The next step is to put the polish on and then wipe the polish with these cloths. So let's get onto that. Yeah. So undo this and then I'm guessing we're just on the light like this. One of these and then we'll just go over it a little bit. Okay, so I've done the polishing. Now I'm just going to wipe whatever residue is on there and then we will seal it with the spray. So this is the spray, lens sealer, top it off, and I guess we just spray it on top. I think something like that maybe, I don't know, hang on, let me read the instructions again. It doesn't say anything about wiping it off, but I don't think that's right because I don't think that's going to dry clear. So maybe I'll leave it on there for maybe 10 minutes and see what it's like after that, and I'll check back in with you guys. Okay, while that's drying, I thought maybe we could just talk about a few things that I have noticed about the channel. We are still growing every day. We are up to 633 subscribers, which is amazing. I'm actually wrapped to that. If you guys can subscribe down below and keep liking and commenting on my videos and just interacting. YouTube has changed from when I first started. Like my highest video is 28,000 views, which was 2 years ago. And I remember when I was posting those videos, I was getting around about 100 views a day, maybe 50 views a day, which was amazing for me back then because I had just started. I wasn't expecting even 2 views a day, if that. Now the videos aren't getting many views. Like my last one is 155, one before that 147, and the third last one was 84 views. I don't know what's changed with YouTube, but it's just not the same anymore. I don't know, maybe is my content getting worse? I don't know. I'm just making videos that I like to make and videos that are fun for me. Yeah, maybe I just need to create more videos more frequently to keep you guys ready for them and so that you know to come back and keep watching. I try to, I don't know, I just keep slacking on that, but I promise I'll try and get better. I'm also thinking of starting a new series on the channel, something different, but I'm thinking of maybe doing car video each week in the car, like using my GoPro inside the car, filming, talking, and Cogs will be in the videos as well. We'll probably do it on our way to uni, so it's just a good time to do it, early in the morning when there's tons of traffic. But I'm thinking of maybe starting a series. Let me know down below if you guys think that's a good idea or not, but it will just be us talking about stuff that's happening, new mods that are coming, new ideas that we got with the car, maybe new cars that we're thinking of purchasing. We might be answering some of your questions that you guys might send in or comment on the videos. So let us know anything that you want us to do, or if you think that that's a good idea and we might go through with it. And we'll also try and get car videos out as well as that weekly series, but don't hold me to it because I'm very bad at holding my schedule together. Now I've got Alicia or Mort to come out and have a look at the car and see what she thinks. So I want you to tell me what you think of my work so far on the suit, okay?
Okay.
Don't hold back.
Do I have to be completely honest?
How
Wait.
beautiful it is.
Oh, shit. What's inside? What is that?
Don't you like it?
It's on the outside or the inside?
Don't touch it.
Sorry, I didn't know. I thought it was on the inside.
Don't you like it?
Doesn't look great at the moment. I'm sure it will look good at the end though.
It's done.
That's not done.
That's it.
No, maybe, wait, do you just have to wipe that over?
No.
Yes, look, it's clear through there. That's what you got to do.
Alicia reckons we wipe this off, which I think we would have to because it would.
Let it dry
but
like that. Surely, let me try. Yeah, you don't let this dry.
I think I'll let it dry too long.
It's all crusty. I've just got to put some elbow grease into it.
Alright, welcome back. This is Mort's channel.
Hey guys.
This is her room.
Yeah, right. Do you have like some
I wonder if we wipe it with
water or
this stuff.
something? Yeah. There you go. Excuse me, move out the way, I'm doing it now.
But look how much better that looks.
Yeah, that looks great.
Matches the actual good one now. Then
So-
I guess we can start pulling all this off.
I'm gonna get like,
And then just wipe my car down. The whole thing. Oh my god.
and then where you flip it.
Alright, we had finally done. That didn't take long. It was actually quite a quick process, and this is actually a good thing for any of you guys that have haze headlights, and it's actually a cheap option. This little kit actually just cost me $10 to $12, I think. So it's actually really cheap for a good result. And I'll just show you right now what it turned out like. This one over here is our brand new one, which is nice. Ignore this, I don't know why it does that. I think the bumper might be slightly broken inside, so the clips don't work. And this one is crystal clear now. I'm actually really impressed with the kit for only $10. This car is actually starting to come together. Sorry if it's slightly out of focus throughout the whole video. I've got sunglasses on, so it's kind of hard to see if the camera's focusing. If you guys like this video, please go down, press the like button, comment, leave me some comments on some things you want me to do or things that you think that are a good idea for this car or something. Also, please subscribe. We're actually trying to get to 1,000 subscribers at the moment. We're slowly getting there, but if you guys can all subscribe that watch this video, that would make amazing. To try and organize or tell you guys a little bit about what's coming in the future, I have been meaning to make a my car video or a mod list of my car, going through everything that my car's got to tell you guys so you have a better understanding of what is actually on this car. I keep meaning to make that. I've been doing the car, making it look a little bit better, and been slacking because I want that video to be really good. I might get Alec to film that video as well. Alec was the guy that helped me with the carbon boot install, and he also filmed a bit of the Valenti tail light install. If you haven't seen those videos, go check them out on my channel. Actually thinking I'll get Alec maybe to help me film that, or get him to film most of it, because
Stop! I'm annoyed. Stop playing that over and over again. I'm a good player. I'm a good filmer.
Maybe to help me film that, or get him to film most of it, because the Valenti tail light videos. He's filmed a few videos for me, and he made the edit in the Valenti tail light videos, and that wasn't even him trying, it was just whatever footage we had left. So I might leave it up to him and see what he can make if he wants to do it. So if you guys want to see that, let me know down in the comments, subscribe down below, get me to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys for the next one. See ya.